did get through the farm animals, surprisingly, so...
It's a bit of an effort.
It's an effort, but I got there.
What happened was the covert rule was our biggest killer.
Yeah.
We had to make the whole place a one-way track.
Yeah.
Previous to that, there were 2 shortcuts.
Yeah.
But yeah, part of legislation had been one way.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I considered if you're going to make it through the grass and there's a bit of some more
We're actually planning on, and if I win Lotto next week, $45,000 worth of new pathways. So yeah, that's one of my next sort of things too. But I mean, this place is money worth going out there.
Yeah. We've been quite here, like I said to you.
Look at that! Look at that! Look at that, nice. That's nice. It's made of ano? It's made of steel. Flying hard. Very cute. Figure. It's a figurine. They have this mini cafeteria. That's nice.
It's like she's just doing a bathroom stop. That's all. Right.
Oh. Look at that. Still there. Flying high. Bird park. And it's playing ball. Hi. Good thing there's no big birds go to my shoulder earlier. Only that small one. Oh, so big. Look, if it goes to you. You lose your ball. You don't want to get the ball? Get the ball. Ay, he's going down. He's going down. Hey, you can fly. Why you need to climb down? I'm gonna get this for the thumbnail. Wonder why they need to climb down. They can fly. Exercise. Exercise. Look at your tail. Your tail. Whoop. Green and blue, blue and green. This one is busy eating. He's busy eating. He don't. He's climbing back. Climbing up.
Playing Tracy.
That's one thread.
Yeah, I think it's for sale, that one.
What do you have? What do you have? Oops, you drop it. You drop it again. getting old, baby. Wonder if he bites you. Oh, that big, ano? Where are you? You're hiding.
Hello. Hi. Over here.
There.
There we go.
Hi.
He's got a big beak. I wouldn't want to put my finger in that cage.
Look at that. It's so red.
Beautiful colours.
Look at your mouth. It's big. Hi. Do you sing? Do you sing? Or do you talk? You have a ring on you. Okay, no. You really will use the nose. It's hiding there.
Are you hiding again? Hi. Hi. He's playing peekaboo.
Peekaboo!
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo!
I'm backwards.
For a living on a jet plane. Look at the big bird there. There's a big bird. There, the blue. So, spend a few hours here. 2 hours. Bago namin natapos yung sanctuary. 2 hours.
The back of my car. On my husband's car. It was my car, and then he started putting things in it. I said, nah, have it now. There was a couple there, and one on the opposite side too.
You can come here. Is it open Monday to Friday? Monday to Friday, and then for adults it's $20 each. And kids, I think 15. So, ayan. Yeah. It's against the light. Against the light, against the light. Hi guys. Going. I'll see you again on my next video. We're going to have some breakfast because we haven't eaten breakfast yet. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again. Love you.